where do your documents actually live? With most tools, in someone else's cloud, on hardware you don't control. PaperOffice does it differently. It's called BYOS. Bring your own storage. Connect your own NAS, a Synology, a QNAP, an ASUSTer, or any server, and your documents stay on your hardware, end-to-end encrypted. PaperOffice's AI still reads and processes them, but the files never leave your control. Let's set it up. Let's connect a Synology NAS as your storage. We start on the NAS. Open the control panel and go to Terminal and SNMP. Enable the SSH service. That's the secure channel PaperOffice will use to reach your files. Next, create a shared folder for PaperOffice. We'll call it PaperOffice. That's the folder where your documents will physically live, and that's the whole NAS side. Now, over to PaperOffice. In the left sidebar, open Storage Mounts. This is where you connect your own storage. Add a new one. Give it a name, Synology NAS, and choose to use it as BYOS storage. Pick an SSH or SFTP connection. Now it needs your NAS's address. To find your public IP, just open a quick IP check. Copy the address and paste it into the host field. Then add the port, your username and password. And for the base path, point it to the folder we created, PaperOffice AI. Now the important part, encryption. Turn on end-to-end storage encryption and set an encryption password. From this moment, every file is encrypted before it ever touches the disk, and only you hold the key. Not even PaperOffice can read them without it. Run a quick connection test. Host, authentication, SFTP, and base path all green. Then, give your mount a look. Click the image and pick one of the built-in storage icons, or upload your own, and save. Your storage mount is live. Now let's put it to work. We create a workspace that lives on this new storage. Give it a name, and under Storage, this is the key. We choose Own Storage, BYOS, and pick the storage mount we just created. Next, the AI DMS tab. This decides how deeply each document is processed. Off just stores the file. Basic adds OCR and search. Premium brings smart AI analysis, and Ultra is full AI intelligence. It depends on your volume. We'll use Basic here, but for most business documents, we recommend Premium. Then save. Now open the workspace and upload a document, an invoice, straight onto your NAS. Now watch AI DMs go to work. PaperOffice reads the file, runs OCR, understands the content, and extracts the key information right there while the file itself stays on your hardware. You can follow the processing status live. Give it a moment and the document is fully indexed and ready. And here's the part that really matters. Let's prove where your document actually lives. We leave PaperOffice completely and open the NAS directly in Synology's own file browser. No PaperOffice, no cloud, just your own hardware. We go into the PaperOffice folder, and there it is, the exact document we just uploaded, sitting on your NAS, encrypted. This is the whole point of Bring Your Own Storage. Your documents never move to someone else's cloud. They stay on your hardware, under your control, and PaperOffice simply makes them intelligent. And that's Bring Your Own Storage. Your documents stay on your NAS, end-to-end encrypted, fully under your control, while PaperOffice's AI does the heavy lifting. Your data, your rules,